Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Siri learning from your phone app on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you wanna do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on phone, then go to Siri and search, and just disable learning from this app. So from this time when it turns gray, now it's on, now it's off. When it turns off, you stop Siri the access to learn from your phone app. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.